Hello everyone, my name is Bagas Salahuddin Kaparume, and today I want to share a story about my biggest achievement so far to earning a spot at my dream state university, Pan Veteran Jawa Timur. This journey was long, full of challenge, but the experience really defined the person I am today. My parents are asking me about what I'm gonna do after my graduation near the end of my 11th grade. They promised to support me regardless of whatever I choose, if I want to work or continue my study. And after careful consideration, I decided that I want to continue my study. Once I entered the 12th grade, my school began a special program for college-bound students. Every Saturday, we had extra meeting with teacher to prepare material for the FMBT. Since Saturday was actually free and I didn't participate in any extracurricular, I was made sure to always present. Even when the attendance started dropping, I keep starting to attend this program. I frequently took and tryout exam, although my score not very good. I keep trying and trying until my score is improved. My first official attempt was through the SMBP. I had to choose carefully because there is no two students could select exact major and one university. Uh, I finally settled on computer engineer at ITS and informatic engineer at UNAID. While waiting, the school invited alumni to discuss and share their college experience, which taught me a lot about campus life. When the SMBP result came out, I was waiting impatiently, but the result was red. I felt sad and disappointed. However, I knew I still had a SMBT chance, and I was determined to keep trying. During Ramadan break, the school was closed, but those for us in the program had special 2-week intensive class for FMBT preparation. I never missed it. This time, I chose carefully about my target university. I'm looking at the average score needed and the comparison with my tryout result. I chose informatic engineer at UPN Jatim, informatic engineer at UNESA, and informatic engineer at X. On the exam day, I woke up at 3 am and prayed tahajjud. After that, I also played subuh and drove from Sidoarjo to Surabaya around 3:30. I mean to be fresh during the morning session. I was very nervous but felt a huge relief after I finished the test. On the day of the result came out, I actually very nervous. I opened the website and telling to myself that whatever the result, I was ready. And I was accepted into my first choice, UPN Jatim, majoring in informatic engineering. I was felt happy and feel that all the effort I put into this finally paid off. This achievement is not about getting into a good university. It's about proving to myself that consistency can overcome obstacles and hard work through those your results. Thank you for listening to my story.